Welcome, viewers. You're welcome. Oh. You know the name of this car? This car is called Mercedes Virgil Abloh. Mercedes Virgil Abloh. This car was made purposely for what? Celebrities. And in Africa here, the first person who bought it is from Nigeria. And you know that person? Now the video be that oh, the video bought it. The first celebrity is from Nigeria. He's the video. So Ghana too, I want people like Shatta to buy this car or Saks, Vim Nation. They are all welcome to buy this car. And when will you get this car? This car, where will you get it? The very first place you get this car is Abike Autochek. And the number is on the screen. If you want to buy this car, the number is on the screen. They also have affordable cars, different types. They have a Kia Optima 2018 model. Kia Optima, and it's a sensor. Even that one, look, if you have the what do you call it? There's the key alone behind you. The door can open. You can even without the key, you can start the car. They have also Vits with four plugs, three plugs, and it's affordable. They have also fish for those commercial buses. Those people who want to do trotro commercial buses, you can go there. You can go to what? Abike Autochek off La Paz Road. They have also fish, the new type. You have the small bumper and then they have the big bumper. They have the old type. All these cars are available there. They have about for the Vits, they have about 30 pieces. And then you are ready. When you come there, Charlie, you just bypass. There's a place called Suzy Inn. Go there and go and buy it. Yeah, come one and come all. They are waiting for you. Come one and come all. ABK Auto Check. They are the best.
This celebrity teacher today I've taken it to a different level. Charlie guys, we didn't come here to play at all. We didn't come here to play. We are at ABK's motto. ABK's motto. And then today I'm here to introduce to you various types of car. Various types of car. So buy affordable cars in Ghana. Charlie, when you come here, look at those bits. And some of the bits we have three plugs and then there are four plugs, but this one is four plugs. So one is four plugs and it's affordable price. It's very, very affordable. You can use it for your Uber, and then this one is 0 points. It's not even up to 0 point. So you can see the consumption is very, very, very low. The consumption is very, very, very low. Everything is on point. Everything is on point. So you can come and look inside. Look inside. Very, 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 very. Listen, look inside. Wow. So this is how to control this thing. Everything is cool. Look at it. Very, very, very affordable. You can buy it for your Uber and then listen. Very, very look at it. Very, very, very affordable. So you can come here. It's off La Paz Road. Off La Paz Road. Just ask of APK photo check mobile. That is it. Just look at there. So there's a bit. We have four plugs and then three plugs. And then for the plate, we have about 30 pieces available. 30 pieces available. So anybody at all, Charlie, come one, come all. Come one and come all. The prices are very, very affordable. The prices are very, very affordable. So you can see various types of cars, various types of cars, various types of cars. You can come here, look at it. Some 2018 models, but the vet 2010 model, and very strong, very, very, very strong, very, 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 very strong, very, very, very strong. So I want everybody. So if you want, just come here. Just come to AK Motors and then come and take your car. Very, 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 very affordable price. Very, very, very affordable price. Very, very affordable. Unlike others, other places where you go, the prices are very, very voluminous. For this one, it's very, very, very cheap. So come one, come all. Come one, come all. What is it? This particular one is what 4 plugs, and it's 0 point. 0 point. It's not even up to 1 point. It's 0 point. So the consumption is very, 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 very low. A car with 4 plugs and it's 0 point is not easy. A car with 4 plugs and it is 0 point. It is not easy at all. So you can, those of you who want to get your Uber, whatever, you can also come here and then it's off La Paz Road, off La Paz Road. That is it. Susie's Inn. Aha, that is it. Susie's Inn. Susie's Inn. So you come one and you come all. We have so many cars. We have so many cars. Those of you who want to get your, what do you call it, your trotro. This one too. Very, 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 very. You can come here. You can come here. And it's new. Very new. Very, very, very new. Charlie, and you, the cars are very, very affordable. Very, very, very affordable. Very, very, very cheap. Yeah. So as you can see, those of you who want commercial vehicle, this is the fish. This is the old type, new type. This one we call a small bumper, and then the big bumper. Small, as you can see, bumper. So it's something. The shocks are very strong. Look at the engine. This one is 2010 model. Very, 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 and it's 4 plugs. 4 plugs. 4 plugs. So you can come here and come and buy. And this very, very, very affordable. Very, very. When you hear the name affordable, anybody at all can buy it. Anybody at all can buy it. We didn't come here to play at all. For us, we go to places that when you go there, value for money is their ultimate. Value for money is their ultimate. They will never give something that is fake to you at all. So this one is the small bumper and then the big bumper, as you can see, very strong. Anytime, in this Ghana road, any place at all, and even right here, Bonsheka road. So for that, you need to get cars with strong shocks. Cars with strong shocks, and then even this one, long journey. So we are taking you around. Wow, I've never even seen this type of car before. Fish. This is the new model. This is the new model. I've never seen it before. Wow, very strong. Very, very, very strong. Very, very, very strong. This is the back. So that is it. That is it. You see? I've never seen this type. Oh. So commercial drivers. Yes, we have. So you can see. Wow. So that is it. Charlie, you can see. So even this one, it can take you to Tamale, Burkina, wherever you want to go to. Anybody who wants to get a commercial vehicle, the one that we call it trotro, the one that we call it trotro, Charlie, come here. ABK Enterprise as the type of car you want. ABK Enterprise has the car you want. So you see, this is one of the big fish, and then the small one, big bumper. So bumper to bumper, you can see the shocks are very strong, very, very, very strong, very, very, very strong. So as you can see, this one is the new model. For me, that was my first time of seeing such a car before. Our type of road, This is what you need. This is what you need for commercial vehicle. So come one, come all. Come one, and you come all. You see, this is it, 4 plugs. I don't think this car, when you buy it, it gives you problems at all. Such cars, when you buy it for about 6-7 years before you go to maybe a mechanic shop or something like that. So we didn't come here to play at all. We didn't come here to play. So that is it. So we have the old one, old type, and then the new types. These are for commercial vehicles. These are for commercial. When you buy it, you never throw your money away. You can also use it for your cargoes or whatever you want to. Go with it. So you see, mm, it will never give you a problem at all. Never give you a problem at all. They are strong. They are in good condition. They are in good condition. They are in good condition. So you come one and you come all. And as I was also saying about the bits. Plugs. Good. This one is the three plugs. This one is the three plugs. Um, so we are coming to open it and you see. You see it for yourself. Open it and you see it for yourself. Just look at the condition of the car. Very strong. We would never encourage you to buy something bomb. Oh, never encourage you to buy anything bomb. No. For me to, from using that jargon, anything inferior, that's what I'm talking about. Anything inferior, anything inferior, anything inferior, anything inferior. So that is it. That is it. So for the dates, we have a lot over here. So as I've been saying, we didn't come here to play at all. Just look around. 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 I have so many cars for commercial, for private, and any. And then one interesting thing, we have ambulance too. So we will take you there after we finish with this one. We are going to talk about this one. This one is sensor. You see, this one. When you are holding the key, you can open it. When the key is holding you, you can open it. So just come and check inside. Wow. So here is it. You see, very nice one. You see, very nice one. Wow. Look at it. Look at it. Oh. Look at it. The dashboard, everything is neat. Very, very, very neat. Very, very neat. And the price is very, very affordable. Very, very, very affordable. And this car, one is the American type. This one is not the Korean type. This one is the American type. This one is the American type. This one is the American type. So we're going to open the engine for you to see. Going to viewers, we didn't come here to play. Like I've been telling you, this is a Kia Optima. This is a Kia Optima, and it's the American type. And I'm going to show you something. They said this car is a keyless. When you having the key with you, you can spark it or ignite it. So you see, you have seen it for yourself. You have seen it for yourself. Okay. So
these are the sensors.
The sensors.
Yes. It has Bluetooth connection.
Bluetooth connection.
Yeah. You can change it to sports. This is the drive mode.
Drive mode.
You can go to eco. You can go to sports. It can go to the normal.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So with this, you can take your calls. Yeah. You can reject the calls.
Okay.
You can increase the volume of your music.
Okay.
You can reduce it. You can just change maybe radio. You want to change the dial to another station.
Okay.
From here. So there are a lot of features here.
Okay.
So whilst you are driving on a top speed, you just be use your thumb finger to operate it.
Okay.
So whatever thing that is wrong with the car, there's an information system on the dashboard.
That's the information system over there.
There's an information system on the dashboard.
Maybe the oil is about to get finished or something else. So
it's there. Now that we've opened the bonnet, it is indicating.
Okay, this one is open.
It's open. You can see the two doors
open.
There, it's open. So even if you are going on a top speed,
yes,
even alert you to tell you that you have to reduce your speed.
Wow.
So this is so amazing.
Okay. Then this car, if this car, everybody is using this car, I don't think there will be a lot of accidents on our roads. Okay. So this is something special. Okay.
The tire pressure is down. Anything that is wrong with the car, it tells you.
Okay. Then this is challenge viewers. Like I've been saying, we didn't come here to play. Today we are showing you value for money. This place, when you come here, you are not wasting your money. Don't go to any roadside to go and buy cars. At the end, you'll be suffering. Some cars, when you buy it, 2 or 3 days, you have to take it to mechanic. But this place, 7 years still, you are driving your new car. So that is it. So this is a Kia Optima 2017 model. 2017 model. Forget about the models and then let's talk about quality. So sometimes when you say 21, when you say, but this one is a brand new car. It's a brand new car and it has a lot of information. It has a lot. If you drive this car, let me tell you, you and death, you are at par. Or there's a vast difference between you and death because it gives you information. When your tire is down or something like that, so the what do you call it, the oil is about to get finished and everything, it gives you information. Which car will give you such information? Look at the system, man. You see, you see, you see, you see, you see, okay. Sure. So that is it. That is it. Now let's go to the back and see. So that is it. Now look at it. It's a brand new car. It's a brand new car. It's a brand new car. So Kia Optima. Kia Optima. This one is the American type. This one is the American type. This one is the American type. This one. We're going to open the boot and see. Yes, it. Now look at it. Very nice one. Very nice and cute. Very nice and cute. Very nice and cute. Everything is decorated. Look at the inside, interior. Everything is jet, 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 jet. We didn't come here to play. We didn't come here to play at all. We didn't come here to play at all. We didn't come here to play at all. So what's it? That's it. So this is Kia Optima 2017 model. 2017 model. A very quality. Very... So what is it? So just look around. Just look around. Just look around. We have so many cars. We have so many cars. And then I'm choosing in off La Paz Road. Off La Paz Road. And close to Optima. Close to Optima. If you are from Achimota, you will come to La Paz and ask of Abike Enterprise. Abike Enterprise. Abike Enterprise. Or Abike Autochek Enterprise.